This here is the 2025 Ram 1500 RHO, and this is the truck that is supposed to be replacing the TRX. But the biggest question right now is it better than the TRX? It's the same, basically the same look as the TRX, just different, a little bit different, altered headlights and taillights, a little bit smaller tires, and different fender flare looks. But you have still an awesome look. You have a Hurricane engine inside that's massive inline six, making 540 horsepower instead of the V8 making the 702 horsepower found in the TRX. But it looks basically the same as the TRX. But like I said, the biggest question is it a TRX? Well, it's not a TRX, it's an RHO, so it's not a T-Rex, it's a Rhino. So let's check this one out. Alright, so you have these amazing fully LED headlights that were fully redesigned for the 2025 model year to replace the TRX. So awesome look. You still got this massive functional air vent that runs the whole way through, but the aggressive headlights is what really catches my eye here. Then you have that massive, amazing looking bumper with a massive skid plate under there. This beautiful grille here with your Ram logo, and you have your 3 lights up there. Also, same polarizing headlights. Awesome look on the whole entire truck here. So then you also have those functional fog lights, and then this LED light here. You have your Hurricane high output engine badge right there, and then your RHO logo. If I was a little taller, you guys would be able to see it better. But you got these massive, meaty off-road tires put on TRX looking wheels. They're just not TRX wheels, they're RHO wheels. And then you have your awesome air vent right there that leads out from your front up there, down back there. You got these mirrors here with your camera under them. So you can get tow mirrors, I'm pretty sure. You got this amazing dark blue, like almost gray paint. So these redesigned taillights right here with your Ram logo in them, your RHO logo, these amazing exhaust pipes that sound good, it pops, it's just not near as loud and as good sounding as the TRX. You get these massive recovery hooks, and then your Ram logo with your 4x4. You just reach your hand up under here and you have a power lift gate. So inside you have plenty of space in the bed. You got your tie down tow hooks, that massive black brake light up there that looks really cool, and then this beautiful paint inside your tailgate, and you just lift it up easily. You got your RHO logo right there, your 4x4. And this here is an amazing vehicle. I desperately love this, but I'm still not sure, since I've never seen one of these go off-road, if this here can replace the iconic TRX. Inside here you have this massive screen, your gear selector, your RHO seats, RHOs embedded into them, fully leather, performance rated leather. You have a passenger side touchscreen. You reach down here, you can pull that and access space. You have a really nice leather look, and this amazing screen here, all kinds of auxiliaries. You got 3 USB ports, 3 USB-C ports, and then an HDMI port right there, which is Ram starting to put in their vehicles. You have launch control. You have all your axle locks and gear selectors, your RHO drive modes. You have this beautiful steering wheel here with carbon fiber trim and your gray stitching, and you have paddle shifters back here too, which is usually in high performance sports cars. I don't think paddle shifters were in the TRX, but you have a stop and start button there. Again, that beautiful passenger screen that you can just press that little button to turn it on, and that replaces your storage space that's usually right there if you press a button. You have your RHO logo right there, and the passenger side screen is standard on all top models of the new Ram 1500. You have your RHO badge here. You have one area with a USB port, and then you can pull this other area up, lock that in place. You get your measuring table, plenty of space in here, an AC power outlet, and then this here whole area of storage. Also, you get 2 wireless phone charging pads down here, and then your gear selector. You get cup holders here that you can easily close up. So I haven't heard of any problems on the new RHO or any Ram 1500s lately, but Ram has recalled 2019 to 2024 models for some problems, but it seems like they've resolved it in their newer trucks. Oh, these seats feel so good. So beautiful look. You get Harman Kardon stereo. You get this amazing massive air vent thing. You get those mirrors that give you excellent outward visibility. You get excellent outward visibility out of this here too. And this here feels like a great spacious truck that's very nice for driving and feels like it'll be really comfortable for off-roading too. Whew, this is awesome. And there's such a big lift. It goes the whole way up to my knee. It's probably about a little more than a foot, maybe a 14.5-inch lift on this thing. Oh. And then inside the back, you still have plenty of space. You got space in there. You have this nice, like, very thin carpet. Not carpet, but very thin, like, comfortable feeling thing here. You get more leather here. These same leather seats back here with this beautiful stitching. And then that there is your view up to the front from the back. Under seat storage with your Ram logo down there. You get your own cup holders back here. Too bad there's not three. If you have 3 passengers back here, somebody might be fighting over a cup holder. But you have your USB-C and USB ports. Same thing, there should be 3, like there are 3 up there. There's not 3 passengers up there, but there are 3 back here. So maybe 2 should go up there, 3 should go back here. But yeah, you can access multiple USB-C ports. Beautiful truck. That's your view back into your bed. And then you still have these beautiful heated leather seats back here. So it's a very nice truck. And it's beautiful, especially with that passenger screen. On the passenger side, that's your view over to the driver's side. And then you still have this amazing screen right here. Your RHO badge right there. And then you have that same stuff over here with your Harman Kardon stereo. And then you got your airbag in there. And that is your 14-inch touchscreen too. So this here is a beautiful truck. It's just as good as the TRX. Just I don't know about the off-road capabilities. But if you want a truck that's new, that looks like the TRX, and that a lot of people will think is a TRX, it's the perfect truck to get. So it's a 10 out of 10. It's an amazing truck. You get those awesome shocks in there too. The same things as on the TRX. And if you're more interested in the TRX, check out my video on the TRX from about 2 months ago. Thanks for watching.